Tired of juggling endless tasks and feeling like your business is one giant, beautiful mess? Let's cut the chaos and dive into the world of automation by comparing N8N and Relevance AI to powerhouses designed to streamline your workflows. First up, N8N. It's an open-source workflow automation platform. Think of it as a customizable Lego set for your business processes, allowing you to connect different apps and services. With its node-based editor, you can visually create intricate automations by dragging and dropping pre-built integrations, or even create your own. Imagine automatically adding new leads from a Google Sheet directly into your CRM, and then sending a welcome message via Slack. N8N puts the power in your hands. Now, let's talk about Relevance AI. It combines automation with the power of artificial intelligence. It's designed to not only automate repetitive tasks but also to intelligently analyze data and generate insights to improve your business outcomes. Relevance AI helps you do more than just connect apps. For example, it helps you intelligently search through your business data, identify customer trends, and even automate personalized marketing campaigns based on AI-driven insights, all without a single line of code. So, which one is right for you? N8N excels in highly customizable, open-source automation, giving you maximum control. Relevance AI shines with its AI-powered analysis and intelligent automation, driving deeper insights and streamlined workflows with little to no coding. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Both N8N and Relevance AI can significantly enhance your business productivity, so explore them, experiment, and unlock the power of automation to take your business to the next level.